Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to disable friend request in Critical Ops using your mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Critical Ops app open on your mobile device and from the main homepage, tap the gear icon at the top right corner. This will take you to the settings menu where you'll need to go ahead and tap on General. Under General, scroll all the way down until you find the Social tab. Here in the Social tab, tap on the box right next to Block Friend Request. Once you check this box, you'll be able to disable the ability to receive friend requests. Once you are done, you can close this window and then that's how you can easily mute unwanted players, or in other words, disable friend request in Critical Ops. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.